Southside. I go nuts on Southside Beach. Baby. Okay, Super Bowl ring, we ballin' hard, we won a championship. Everybody got something to say when I ain't even ask for shit. Bunny rabbit blow, take a brick and do a magic trick. 100 rest a show, get on the stage and do a backward flip. Yeah, I'm in LA with some real cribs. I want Stella McCartney, just real drip. Cartier on my face with a wood tip. Put a knife on the cage for real deal. Make them get out this bitch like a fire drill. If I won't hit the bitch, then the guys will. I been on it today, I took 5 pills. I'ma run them ill cause the God will. How you gon' check me? She like my gangster, she wanna arrest me. She wanna sex me. I had to block her, she know not to text me. Coming at you niggas 3D. They gon' put this shit on repeat. Everything I say they repeat. Then these niggas try to sneak these. I ain't gon' say nothing back. Yeah, I'ma keep getting these racks. Yeah, when you speak about me, speak facts. Yeah, got an F in, I'ma keep back. Big nose hood on the demon. Speak to the streets, I'm the deacon. They won't even peep what I was preaching. They just wanna see me with the leeches. Big balls, I ain't in the bleachers. Courtside, high five real. Codeine got me talking to myself. Blowing up, I'm blowing out my belt. Richie top 5, not for real. On the 25 before the deal. Every time we slide, a nigga kill. I just hold the guys that they appeal. G5 sitting in the cell. He bout to come. I got this money on me right now. Don't even answer my phone. I got these bitches stay. They trying to give me some pay. They know that I ain't got time to waste. I'm trying to get in their face. I might just give you a couple of dollars and make sure you good on tomorrow. They know they probably will see me again unless I'm in the Benz. I put the $40 on the car, making tons on the truck. I got the money, I'm running it up, and I've been putting it up. M's. Oh, check it out.
I like this.
All the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes. Who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping my wet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking holes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music lasting. But I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep the F a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes. See notes by the layers. True fucking players. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GM3. I got the chronic by the tree. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. To the honeys getting money, playing niggas like dummies. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Baby. Straight up, honey, really, I'm asking. Most of these niggas think they be macking, but they be acting. Who they attracting with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and ask you what your interests are. Who you be with? Things that make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gon' be here for a while. I'm gon' call my crew. You gon' call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around 2. Plans to leave, throw the keys to little C's. Pull the truck up front and roll up the next blunt so we can steam on the way to the telly. Go fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and Welch's grape. Conversate for a few, cause in a few we gon' do what we came to do. Ain't that right, boo? Forget the telly, we just go to the crib and watch a movie in the jacuzzi. Smoke L's while you do me. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa. To the honeys getting money, playing niggas like dummies. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You got my gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place.
1 2 1 2 1 2.
Tonight that should be having my baby. Imagine in Benzes
1 1.
Tremendous cream, fuck $1 and a dream. Still tote gas strapped with infrared beams. Chopping oils, smoking line optimals, money holes.
Is that better?
A foolish pleasure, whatever. I had to find the buried treasure. So grams I had to measure. However, living better now. Gucci sweater now. Drop top DMs, I'm the man, girlfriend.
Trying to figure this out. 1 second.
Tell your friends.
1 2 1 2.
My friends. We could be friends. Shit, we could do this every weekend. Alright? Is that alright with you? Yeah. Keep banging.
Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. To the honeys getting money, playing niggas like dummies. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Check it out.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you guys hear me?
Puff Daddy, Biggie Smalls, Junior Mafia, represents.
Alright, let me see. 1. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you guys hear me? 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1. No, that's the computer mic. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1. No, that's the computer mic. One. No, it's not the mic. Let's see. One. No, it's not the mic. Let's see. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Can we hear the mic now? Is that different? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Can we hear the mic now? Seems like it's the same. There we go. Okay, I think that's better. Now. There we go. Okay, I think that's better. Now. Right, now let's test the music and the... Let's test the music and the mic at the same time. What's Gucci? Can you guys hear the music good? Right, now let's test the music and the... Test the music and the mic at the same time. What's Gucci? Can you guys hear the music good? All right, there we go. Alrighty, let's go. Finally, back in the game, baby. All right. Yeah, I just did. I reset my whole computer, so I started like it was new, and I lost all the files, so I did a new intro, new outro. Yeah, I went into Kenzie's messages to try to get the intro and outro, but it says it no longer existed, so I had to make a new one. But appreciate it for all. I appreciate Kenzie. I appreciate everybody who's been hopping and helping out. But yeah, I was taking some time to do this. It's gonna get better. You know, it's gonna get better. This is just the start. This is just the beginning. Let me see. Where's the chat? All right, so we're starting. Okay. Starting. No. So starting here, we have this journal. Let's take this off. There we go. And we can take this off. Oh no, just leave that there. I'm actually gonna get from the trash. I'll do that later. All right, so hopping into the chart, we took a loss yesterday. It was 22, and we're taking long right now. We are going against the order block, right? So we're coming to the order block, and we are looking to liquidate the order block as well. So it grabbed liquidity, and it's now coming for the order block. So we took 4 positions because we have the stop loss at of a risk of 1500. So that's valid as long as we don't go above 1800. We are totally fine like this. Normally I take 1 or 2 MGCs, but I'm taking 4. Went a little bit heavy right now. We closed bullish on the 4 hour. 1 hour we closed bullish as well. We just created this inducement to make people believe that this is the order block, that it was going to go down now. But no, we're going to go for the stop losses, and we're going to eventually come all the way here. So we have the first target here, second target here at this sort of order block, and then we have that order block, and then we have these. So I'm just jumping straight into the lower time frames. You guys know I normally start from the higher time frame, but I'll go into the higher time frame in a bit. Just wanted to explain what's going on. And yep, I expect for price to tap this level, And once we tap that level, most likely we're gonna get some sort of inducement, like we always do, and then we're gonna see the liquidity drive. So that's what I have in mind. I'll be back. I'm gonna go to the restroom. All right, so we're coming now to the target. Oh shit. We're just gonna type this in the chat really quick. No, not here. Okay, and here we go. We're going to the target, as we can see. We're going to the first target. So first target about to hit. drop your questions, anything that you guys have in mind. First target, it's about to hit. So first gain, this is the thing. So I have to make a first gain, and this is the second gain. So I'm thinking about making maybe third gain, fourth gain. So first gain would be how much? Like 0.59. Risk 1%. All right, so let me just go to the top-down analysis really quick. Meanwhile, this hits. So starting from the monthly time frame, we can clearly see that we have a wick fail to the upside. So that's one. The overall trend is bullish. We just had a pullback. So this is all just liquidity grab to push higher and wipe the stop losses definitely. We also have a bottom wick here, so we don't have to worry for the current candle to create a bottom wick. Like here, for example. Like let me just try a circle. Like here, for example, we can see that we don't have a bottom wick. If you can see, for example, here, we don't have a bottom wick. So no bottom wick. Price tends to fill those zones once we get nearby those zones. So we have that. We have this one over here slightly. We have a little bit of a wick, down wick, but not that much. And we can see as well. This was the recent break of structure. No change of character. It's all the same. The previous candle closed bullish. Current candle is bullish as well. This is the order block that we have. This is the order block trap that we're looking at. So when price nears by the zone, we would liquidate this level. We would probably do this, like pretend like we're gonna go up, and then next thing you know, we do this, and then next thing you know, we do this again, and then next thing you know, we come and liquidate that order block. So that's eventually how you can take the order blocks, but you would have to get out soon. But it's all liquidity trap for you to be trapped. You know, it's all, they're using US liquidity, so you have to be cautious of the order blocks. Just to let you know, you just put it into play. I don't believe we're gonna do that now. We're not gonna do that now, as we are gonna leave a long steep weight to the upside. So this is what is gonna happen. I don't see this order block trap coming right now. We did come to the daily order block. I don't know if you guys remember that. I was stating that when we were like around here, like when we were around here, we came and tapped this order block trap. I think I even have pictures of it. Let me see if I have some. Because I've been looking for it for a long time, long time. I don't see it, but I called it in the other streams. I just have to look for it. I also stated that now retails are, this is how retails look like. So let me actually just send this in the chat. I'm gonna share this picture. So, all right, so I have that, and then we can have this image here. So yeah, this is what I mean. This is what I mean when I say order blocks are using you as liquidity. Check this image if you're smart enough. Daily projection completed. Look, so how retail positions on order blocks look. Liquidity pool. So trap. So no bottom wick, unfulfilled wick, and then we go to the next one, and we see that it was a trap. See? Imagine all the shorts right now here too. You know, a lot of people are short. Yeah, gold tends to follow its trend, but it also liquidates in between those trends. The shorts, whoever it's on that side as well. So they liquidate both sides. So you just have to be cautious of all that. Yeah, we have this 1 hour order block. We have this minuscule order block too. So actually, yeah, no, I'm just gonna let it. Yeah. How can I? Oh, I maybe have. Yeah, I have to sign in. Now I see. Give me just a second. Give me just a second. Yo, Karam, I've been good. What about you, brother? What's up? What's up? What you been up to, broski? What you looking at right now? We're in this little trade right now. You know, we're looking at gold. And yep, I just started the new funded account. So I passed the other one. So I passed, let me see. So we passed this one. We passed this one, 100K. So the target was 5,000. The target was 5,000 and we got to the 5,000. So that was passed. 100% winning rate if we wouldn't got this loss. But overall it's been a good journey. What about you, my bro? What you looking at right now? And I just started this. Yeah, bro, thank you. Shout out to DVS. This is the guys that I got it from, so they're pretty badass, bro. But yeah, bro, I appreciate it. I think they still have a link. I can forward it to you. If you can drop your email if you want, and I can forward it to you, bro. That's free for everybody. Shout out to Donvo, by the way. But yeah, we just started the funded, bro. We just started the funded, and the first trade was lost, and the second trade, it's a win. So yeah, it's been a good journey, you know. It's sometimes it's like you start to think like, I got the loss and I was like, how can I do better, you know? How can I improve? How can I have a better entry and exit? And but sometimes if you follow your plan, your whole analysis and everything, you don't have to change anything, you know. If you stick to your plan, we have the 90% winning rate there. By how many trades? By like 50. Let me see. I think, bro. Yeah. I think I can share it. I can just share it like this, and I can just share it, like as viewer. I can share it as viewer, and you can just make a copy and make your own. Right. But it's gonna help you a lot, bro. It's helped me a lot too. Give me, if you want, share your email and I can just email it to you. Where's the, oh, there we go. What's the sound? Why doesn't it sound? I want to get like the order failed. If you share your share your email, bro, and I can send it to you. We can do that. It was from DBS, like I said, but they don't have no problem with it because they shared it for free. And what you looking at, bro? What you looking at right now? Yeah, so once again, I was starting from the top-down analysis. So top-down analysis starting from the monthly, like I said, right? We have the wick fill to the upside. So normally when we have a long wick, the next candle tends to fill the wick. So it's going to be something like, we're going to see something like this. And then we can see probably something like this. Not like that, but something like this. And then we can see the retracement and tap this order block. Right, we can tap this order block zone, which I call it order block trap, and then we can create some inducement back up, and then after that we can see the drop, right? This is what I'm looking at for. So this is start of the play, right? So it's bullish. It's overall bullish. Dropping down to the weekly. The weekly, it's bullish as well. The change of character wouldn't have been until we break this this zone, but it's just getting it's just liquidating a lot of people. A lot of people are buying gold as well. I don't know if you heard about it. So we have to be cautious, right? Because people are stacking on gold. When people start buying like crazy, we have to be cautious because they're gonna drop the price and have them trapped with that gold, you know, worthless. Well, not worthless, but it's gonna be really undervalued, and they're gonna try to sell it at a cheaper price, thinking that it's gonna keep going down, and then the rich people are gonna buy more gold from them. If they're gonna buy it from them, and then they're gonna reset, pump it up and resell it on the top, and they're gonna be like, "What the fuck? What happened? Why did it? We sold when it was going down, and then we sold it once we sold it. After a year, it goes back up." You know what I mean? It's all part of the plan. That's how it rolls. That's how they roll. You know, we gotta join them, not be against them, right? That's the only way we can do it. Just follow whatever they're doing, whatever they're printing. Because eventually, you know, if you try to do what everybody else is doing, you're gonna be fucked in the ass. So let's just stick to this. Fuck all the I don't want to say like that, but order blocks, FPGs, this and that's imbalance. That's all just to trap you back into the liquidity, bro. You have to watch out who you what do you learn in the internet? You know, there's a lot in the internet, like order blocks and all that. It's not that I'm against it, you know, but it's just like it's very obvious when you see it that it doesn't really work in the long run. They make it work sometimes, but they're not gonna make it work as enough for you to be profitable in the long run. Oh, let me see the script, bro. Are you in the Discord chat already? Hop into the Discord chat. All right, so now dropping down to the daily time frame, we see that we have this long steep wick that we're gonna fill eventually in the future. So we came to the order block as we stated before, right? We came to this order block trap, we wiped it, so that's already done. Now we have some sort of order block here. So price is reacting to this order block, so it's an order block trap now. Now people are going long, expecting for price to make a big high, right? But what I see, it's price wicking up and then filling the wick. Basically, that's it. We don't have to overcomplicate it. Sometimes we overcomplicate it with all these tools, all this you know, bunch of things in the internet. The more simple you keep it, the better is it gonna be. The more you detach from all those beliefs, the better it's gonna get. And we have this sort of order block trap again. We have an order block here, so people are expecting for this order block to be tapped. Even for those who are short, you know, they're gonna get trapped. Expecting for the reaches of this zone. And we have the retail longs as well, long in here. They are in profits right now, really good, but out of nowhere they're gonna get wiped back down. So this is what they're probably targeting: all-time highs, you know, all this resistance, price tapped and it pulled back. But yeah, eventually we're gonna do some sort of movement to the upside just to make more inducement. And probably come to this order block trap on the top, and then after that we can see the downside movement. So that is that. It's crucial to have this higher time frame in mind. And now let's drop down to the gold, and we see the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour. Let's see what's going on. So the previous 4 hour we closed bullish. Is there unfulfilled wicks on the 4 hour? We not really have any. The only one I can think of, it's this one and this one. So no unfulfilled wicks. Everything has been filled. We had this one as well, but it got filled, right? We have this order block right now, so price is on this. It's playing with this order block right now. It's playing with people right now. So lots of them are short right now, as I was stating. Lots of them are like this. This is their position size. This is their play. And it used to be my play as well. It used to be my play, but with over time, I noticed that it doesn't. It's not really like this. It's not really like this. Like as I mentioned, look. As I mentioned, look at this. This is how retail positions are on the order block trap. So order blocks, it's not the perfect order block, but you can see it's an order block. So it pulled back. It pulled back. It drove up, inducing people to get in. It's driving up, inducing people to get in. People are gonna get short here, and then next thing you know, boom, it wipes them. So it was an order block trap. It was just playing with people. This is the long wick that we're talking about. So this is the long steep wick, and we see that the long steep wicks get eventually fill in the future. And it creates that sort of inducement to make people believe that, oh, it's gonna go up. So it's the same thing for this. I'm looking for the same exact thing. And yep, it works. You know, it works. But do whatever works for you, you know, brother. Yeah. I have a Discord chat. Let me send it. There you go. What do you think about my new intro, bro? I made this intro recently. I was making it today and yesterday as well, so I was really busy. I was really busy working on that. Because I restarted my whole computer, so I had to. I had all the files. I lost all the files, and I couldn't get the files that I had lost, so I had to create a new one. So this is the stream starting soon. Then we got the the CBD, Chris Del Valle. Then we got the logo. But there's gonna be more to it, to the logo, but it's low, you know, keeping it simple. And yeah, sick. Stream starting soon now in different characters. Sick. And we got the outro, but the outro is gonna be for later. Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's focus. So yeah, it's a top-down analysis, you know. That's what that's basically the wick fills. Um, you know, having a long steep wick like this, and then next thing you know, the next candle wicks up and then flips bearish. That is that. Let me just get this ready because people want to see this too. Oh shit, there's a special going on. One second, people. 1 second. Let me just get something going on. Let me just get something. What up? 1 second. Just putting some my username. Oh, there we go. This is the funded account so far. This is the payout so far. So yeah, join up, join up, join up. All right, 1 second. I'm gonna go to the restroom again. I'm drinking a lot of water. 1 second. Actually, let me see if I can hide OBS, bro. It's showing all the time. Let's see. How do we hide OBS like to not show? Hey Jessica, what up? What up, girl? What you doing? What you doing? Let me see. Oh, there we go. Hide OBS. Perfect. All right. What up? What up? What you doing, Jessica? ¿Qué andas haciendo? Ahí vengo, eh. I'm gonna go to the restroom. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna go over something right now. You're at Wetlands Park. Look at you, girl. What you doing there? Oh, I love Wetland Park. I've went a lot of times and it's really nice. Um, so we are near 11. Um, it's already 11. It's gonna be 11 a.m. So we don't normally trade after that. We're closing in 3 hours. So I'm gonna thinking on closing this trade. Let's see in the 30 minute. One second. I gotta open the door for my dog. All right. So it's eventually still gonna go up, but I just don't want to hold this because if we get near the closing, if we close it and if it's like let's say in drawdown, it's gonna close me automatically regardless of what. So now we have a wick to fill. So you see this long steep wick, so we're gonna fill that wick. So once we fill it, we're eventually gonna most likely continue up. So we can close it here. Depends what time it is. If I have to go to work, I'll just close it if it's here. But if it's gets here right now, I'll just hold it till we get like around here. There's some sort of roadblock here. Right. We have a wick fill to the downside now. So we're gonna fill this wick. This is the fill wick, and then we're gonna fill the upper wick. Most likely. This is the upper wick. So we have 2 and 1. So it's a win-win. Oh, nice. ¿Acompañaste a tu mamá? Ah, qué bueno, qué bueno. ¿Y cómo te la estás pasando? But yeah, it's good to go to the park. It's good to go to the park and unwind yourself. That's when you can connect to yourself and to your spirit. And yeah, look for things that relax you and give you peace of mind. It's very crucial. Actually, that reminds me of the book Stillness is a Key. Talks about that. Um, taking a walk, going outside, sitting in a chair, and just absorbing nature. That's how you can connect to yourself. Exactly, exactly. It's really beautiful when you know how to enjoy the moment and the time and the present, because we're always thinking about the future and the past, and we don't um we don't have time to think. We because we're busy in the future and the past. So forget about the past, forget about the future, and focus on now and yourself and now and the present. Look, what's the message? The universe is giving you a message right now. It's up to you if you want to get it. It's up to you if you want to listen to the messages. Law of attraction, all that. It's really real. So it's good. It's nice to hear you that you're having fun, Jessica. Drop your like, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up, girl. It's going great. It's always going great. Um, Thank you for asking. It's going really good. You know, all the week, all this month, all this year, it's been really good for me, and I hope for you guys as well too. So it's been a really beautiful journey. You know, I passed the challenge, so I'm looking for a second payout again. So I'm looking to withdraw 2,500, like the previous time. That was on September, so October we're looking for another withdrawal anytime soon. There's no rush, but yep, that is that. How about you? Yeah, but you said you've been good, right? You've been at the park. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? The sky. I remember that in middle school. What's up? All right, so we're coming back to fill the wick, the upper side wick, and we're gonna close anytime soon. We might come hard now. Let's see if there's any news. There's no news. We have CPI at 5:30, but that's for AUD. Tomorrow we have federal fund rates, FOMC press conference. So we should get some liquidity around those times. Now we have more liquidity here. Now we have this one over here, and then we have this one over here. So we should wipe this level before we can continue down to fill this wick. But eventually this order block, I see it as liquidated. So we should liquidate this order block before we go to the wick fill. That makes sense. All right, meanwhile, I'm gonna change for work. I'm gonna just take my camera off because you guys don't want to see me naked. All right, guys, I'm gonna be ending the stream soon. I have to get ready to work. The last days at work, and um, see you guys tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. Arizona time or 9:30 Eastern time. 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. All right, peace out, guys. Take care and see you guys tomorrow.
shit to me, it's a walk in the park. Y'all too smart, can't talk from the heart. I got sauce and it's all for the charts. No aux in the car. Ride around bumping that first blueprint on this. I ain't trying to hear what the info is. I've been trying to move on the impulsive tip. Do you want dip? I can tell you ain't having that much fun. 3 years in with your ex-boyfriend, y'all tied that knot, but it's back undone. Oh yeah, I'm trying to stack 1 ton. You ain't gotta ask where that come from. I ain't never rock no pack, son. I was on the pack of the Moss ain't mess. I skip class, no hallway pass. I'm team cap, you was always last. She got good hands and the all stay ass. I got good kids and they all came fast. I ain't gotta say it, you can come to the Ville. Just ask who's hot, they gon' all say Jack. Told me stay down, but I always have. When I come around, man, they always ask, how does it feel? Whoa. Ain't shit to me, it's a walk in the park. Y'all too smart, can't talk from the heart. I got sauce and it's all for the charts. Started my night with the light. When I got to the club, I was all for the dark. And I'm on a wave like a dolphin and shark. Y'all took shots, they was all for the mark. Keep it raw from the start. That's what she want from me, okay, cool. My chick love me and she don't make rules. She ain't gotta ask if I'm gon' stay true. 1 take Jack, I ain't gon' take 2. Urban got tabs and I'm gon' take 2. I was in the KY doing 8.5 on the 6.5 dash when I saw stay true. Ooh, y'all can't do what we do. Everybody tryna come do a reboot. Y'all ain't had faith in this shit back then, but I ain't even trip cause I knew it'd be cool like woo. Ain't shit to me, it's a walk in the park. Y'all too smart, can't talk from the heart. I got sauce and it's all for the charts. I've been trying to catch myself off guard. I fuck with you if you get that part. Worst enemies never hit that hard. Worst enemies never got too far. I can tell y'all boys not too smart. Ain't shit sweet but the Xauusd car. Ayy,